Good morning, students. Welcome to your social science class. So, in today's class, we shall learn about a new lesson, that is Marathas. This is the eighth lesson. So, we shall begin our lesson. Are you ready? Yeah, so children, we shall first learn about the introduction of this lesson. In this lesson, the childhood of Shivaji, his ideals, the way he resisted Mughal and Vijaypur army, establishment of Maratha kingdom, and his administrative measures are explained. Okay, how was the childhood of Shivaji? What were his ideals and the way he defeated the Mughal and Vijaypur army, and how did he establish the Maratha kingdom, and what was his administrative techniques, how did he, what was the administrative measures, okay, what were the techniques he used, okay, those are all explained in this lesson. Okay, so now we should continue with the competences of this lesson. So now we shall learn about the competencies of this lesson, what we are going to learn after reading this lesson. Okay, first we are going to learn to understand the life and the adventures and what are the achievements of Shivaji, means how was the life of Shivaji, what was his adventures, means like war and his adventures. Okay, and the second one is and what were his achievements in the war. Okay, and second one is to recognize on the map the historic places associated with Shivaji. Okay, and the second one which we are going to learn in this lesson is to recognize the historic places covered by this Shivaji. Okay, what are the places of the Maratha dynasty covered by the Shivaji. Okay, so children, now we shall continue with the lesson. We shall start with the lesson. Okay, now Maratha were the ones who revolted against the Mughals in the Deccan region. Okay, these Marathas, the Maratha kingdom was the one kingdom, or Marathas were the ones who revolted against these Marathas revolted against the Mughals. Okay, they revolted against the Mughals. These Mughals were from the Deccan region. Okay, they were from the Deccan region. Now, when Mughals were at their height, okay, of power in North India, these Marathas revolted against the Mughals when the Mughals were at the height. Okay, they were at the height, they were very strong, and their power was in the North India. They had a height, very strength in the North India. Okay, in that time these Marathas revolted against them. Now, Shivaji was the founder of Maratha dynasty. Now, who is the founder of this Maratha dynasty, children? Shivaji is the founder of the Maratha dynasty. Now, as you can see in this two maps, the Mughal Empire and the Maratha Empire. Okay, you can see how huge was the Maratha Empire, and you can see how was the Mughal Empire. Okay, we should be proud for our Maratha Empire. Now, so children, now we shall learn about the Shivaji. Okay, the founder of the Maratha dynasty was Shivaji. Now we shall learn about this Shivaji. Okay, Shivaji was born in Shivaneri Durga near Pune. Okay, if the question comes, means you should write the answer. Okay, Shivaji was born in Shivaneri Durga near Pune. Okay, children, where Shivaji was born? Tell answer in your mind. Now he was born in Shivaneri Durga near Pune. Okay, his father Shahaji Bhonsle. Okay, the father of Shivaji was Shahaji Bhonsle. This Shahaji Bhonsle held high post in the office of Sultan of Vijayapura. Okay, this Shahaji Bhonsle was at the high post in the office of Sultan of Vijayapura. Okay, now Shivaji was brought up under the care of his mother Jijabai. Okay, the mother of Shivaji is Jijabai, and Jijabai took care of her child Shivaji. Okay, Jijabai taught Shivaji the how to fight, and she taught him good things. Okay, she was a fierce woman. Jijabai was a fierce woman. Okay, she was also a Kshatriya woman. Now, So now we shall learn more about the Shivaji. Okay, the tutor of Shivaji was Dadaji Konda Deva, okay, and Tanaji Malsor. Okay, now these were the two tutors of Shivaji who taught him the lessons of warfare. Means um, teaching how to fight in the wars. Now, who were his two teachers' children? Dadaji Kondadeva and Tanhaji Malsor. Okay, now in the beginning, Shivaji assembled the Maratha leaders and Malwas, the tribal people of Western Ghats, and built a strong brigade. Okay, now this Shivaji assembled the Maratha leaders and Malwas. Okay, he united them. Okay, he united them, and then he united the tribal people of Western Ghats. Also, he took the Maratha leaders, Malwas, and the tribal peoples of the Western Ghats, and he built a new brigade. Means he built a new army, and with this army he fought with the Mughals. Okay, children. This was the strong army which was built by the Shivaji at first. Okay, now, so thank you, children. I hope you have understood the class.